I have some assistants today. Patrick, hey, you play soccer, right?
Yeah.
What do you play?
I play striker and forward.
How about you, Charlotte?
Center offense.
So nobody plays any defense?
Nope.
All right, I'm going to have to be the goalie today because today we are building a soccer goal. We're going to have to learn a lot of stuff. We have to cut these long pipes right here. So we're going to have to measure and then cut them. And we have to make the connections. So let's get started. You ready?
Yep.
All right, Patrick, just take the end of this tape measure, stick it on there. Here you go, Charlotte. Let's get a measurement on this pipe.
It's just over 10 feet.
Okay, so here's the stock list that we need. We need 2 3-footers, 2 4-foot pieces, 4 5-foot pieces, and 4 really little pieces, about 1.5 inches long. All right, how long was this pipe again?
Just a little over 10 feet.
All right.
And if we cut this in half, it can be 2 of the 5-footers.
Perfect. You start a groove, keep coming. Oh boy. Keep going. This is a special saw made just for PVC. How you doing?
Good.
Almost there. Almost there. Here we go. Good. Let's see how that is. Hold that right together.
They look even.
Perfect. Okay, so if we got one more 10-footer, we'll have our 4 5-footers.
I think it's slanting a lot.
That's fine. We're trying to get it square so all the pipes are the same length. Very good. A little more, a little more. Keep coming. Go, Charlotte. Okay, so our 5-footers are done, and we still need some 4-footers and some 3-footers. Now, we don't want to waste any pipe. So if we cut a 4-footer and a 4-footer from this 10-foot, what will we have?
2 feet left.
All right, but we don't need a 2-footer. So maybe we should look at a 3-footer and a 3-footer, which leaves us
4 feet.
which we need. So 3, 3, 4. All right, let's mark it. You take the end. All right, guys, all of our pipes are cut. We've got our 4 5-footers right here, 2 4-footers and 2 3-footers, and now we've got our 4.5-inch pieces right here. Now, the sides of our goal have a right triangle. Let me show you what I mean. The base sits on the ground, and we want this post to be perpendicular. So we want this to be a right angle, 90-degree angle. So a right triangle has a base, and if that's 3 foot, and a height, which is 4 foot. This last part right here is called the hypotenuse. Anybody know what that number should be?
5 feet.
Excellent. 3, 4, 5. The back of our goal is actually a square, and we want to connect the corners using these T-fittings. Now this is a T-fitting we use in the plumbing industry. It's called a TY. It has a gentle sweep this way. For us today, we want to be sure that they all line up correctly. If I put my T in like this, and you put your T in at the opposite side like this, you see they wouldn't line up. So we want to be sure that you have it just the same way, all right? So try that one, Charlotte. Good. Go ahead, Patrick. What we're doing is dry fitting this together, and once we have it exactly the way we want it, we can then glue it up. When working with PVC glue and cleaner, we have to be careful, so I'm glad you got your gloves on. And you should never work with this without adult supervision, so you guys are stuck with me today. All right, so Patrick, you're in charge of cleaning the pipe and the fittings, all right? So I'll pull these apart. And what I want you to do is take that brush and go right around the pipe. Go ahead. Go, and really get into it. See, the ink will come off if you get into it. Let me just show you how to do right here. Okay, so now you take it again. Try it on this one. A little more. Get right around. Push down on it with the brush too so you can get that ink right off. Push, push. Yep. Okay. Okay, good. Now I want you to do the inside of these 2 fittings. There. Okay, and then right there. Okay, Charlotte, now get your brush with the PVC glue. Now we only have a little bit of time with the PVC glue. It sets up pretty fast, so. I want you to go right around there. No, on the outside, yep. And right inside that fitting only, right there, yep. Okay, and now I hold it for a little bit until it sets up. Good, that should do it. Good, one down. All right, guys, the back of our goal is glued up, and now we need to connect the sides of the goal. And for that, we're going to use these elbows right here. Now, you know what that means?
More cleaning?
And more glue.
You got it. On the outside of the pipe. Okay, inside there, yeah. Okay, pull that right in and hold it. Okay, pull, pull, pull. Right down here, go ahead. Okay, good. Now just hold it till it sets up. We'll be kicking that soccer ball before you know it. Now, what would a goal be without a net? So I got this at the local home center. You know what it is? It's actually made to keep deer out of shrubs. It's deer netting, they call it. Why don't you take that, Patrick, and just unravel that all the way out? Going to give us plenty of slack. Bring it right around here. Good. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, now cut it right about there. We're going to attach the net to the pipes using this, cable ties. Electricians use them. Some people call them zip ties too. All right, so we're just going to go around here. And we want to attach every 6 or 8 inches right along the top. We just zip them together, tuck them out of the way. And the nice thing is we can keep the deer out too. All right, we'll cut this net so it looks nice and clean. Okay guys, just finish those up and I'm going to cut the excess off of these zip ties so nobody gets poked in the eye. So what do you think, guys?
Oh, it's great.
Oh, oh,
Thanks, Richard.
This is so much fun.
you guys are great.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.